booty. Girl, move that booty. Shake it for me. Girl, move that booty.
Okay, everybody, just jumping right into things. Here is the wig. Here is the curl pattern. It's kind of just like a wavy texture, and I have had one of the qd-tizer wigs before, and it's got like that same, definitely that same feel. Eventually I will thin it, but because it's like perfect right now, I'm not going to. It's got two combs in the front, a comb in the back, and then adjustable straps. So we are going to start by cutting off the lace per usual. So I'm just gonna do that.
Move that booty, shake it for me. Booty.
Now I'm going to pick up my Got To Be Ultra Glued. Now this says it's styling gel, but we're gonna use it just like we use the yellow kind. The lady at the store said they're literally the exact same thing, except for one's clear. So if this acts as the same thing, we're just gonna put this around the rim, let it dry a little bit, and see what happens. Okay. And we're gonna let that dry. We're gonna get this baby ready to put on. Brush this through nicely. A couple strands of hair, that's it. So we're gonna adjust these straps in the back. Want it to be nice and snug.
Move that booty. Shake it for me. Girl, move that booty. Shake it for me. Girl, move that booty. Shake it for me. Girl, move that booty. Shake it for me. Booty. Booty. Girl, move that booty. Shake it for me. Booty. Shake it for me. Booty. Girl, move that booty. Girl, move that booty. Girl, move that booty. Shake it for me.